Hey there, this is Geej Mauriva with Your Media Magician, and today I'm going to show you exactly how to add and edit images that you upload to your WordPress website. Okay, so let's get started. Adding images, first thing you want to do is go into either your post or your page. Now, with a post, you want to be on the classic mode right here with all blog posts. But let's say you're on a page. Let's say you're on a page and and if you go to classic mode, this is just a total mess. I mean, you're not going to be able to, some of it, but it's very difficult. So if you're on a page and you have a lot of these modules in here and you want to just go in and add your images here, you would just go to your hover over this, go to your text block, and then click on the little pencil icon. And then of course you can do the same thing here. It's going to be the exact same thing inside of this little module as it is on the post page. But I'm going to show you how to do it inside of a post page. Go ahead and place your cursor the edge of your paragraph or the edge of your title, if that's where, or the edge of your heading, if that's where you'd like to put it. I'm going to put it right on the edge of my paragraph. So you click on there, click right before the first character of the paragraph, and then you're going to click on Add Media in the top at the top of the toolbar there. And then we're going to go ahead and add this image right here. Now, this is pretty important. Now, the way to get this to be 325 by 265 is by editing it inside of PicMonkey. And I created another video for you to show you exactly how to do that. So you want to go and see that in order to get the image sizing to this size, which is really nice for websites. Alright, so once that image comes up there, then you want to create a title. And usually what I will put in here is the name of my post, or sometimes even the name of the heading or a sentence inside the paragraph. You always want to put a title on images. And then everything else, the caption, alt text, description, you don't need it to know any of that. Same with this, any of this stuff. You don't need to know any of that. Now, the alignment is important. So, you want to put it either left, center, right. I usually put it on the right, depending on where images lined up above it. So if there was an image on the left, I will often put the image down below that on the right. I'll sort of alternate them to give them a little bit better. It's just sort of a design thing. All right. So then with link to, you always want to put you always want to make that none. You want that image to be linkable unless you're linking it to a custom URL. You're linking it to a page outside of the website or on another page on the website. And then you select your size, and we'll just stick with the full size, and then go ahead and insert into post. Alright, so there's our image, and as you see, it's lined up on the right. Now if we wanted to change that alignment right on the fly here, we just click on the image, and then it'll bring up this little toolbar at the top here, and you just click. You can either select it to go left, center. Now the one thing to know about center is that when it goes in the center, it will go between text. So it goes in between the paragraph and the heading up here. So you just want to be aware of that when you're setting images. I usually like to have it like either right or left, and then that makes the text kind of wrap around the image. It's again another design thing that's kind of nice. Now let's say you put that image in there, but you want to do a little bit more editing on it. So you just hover over this and click on the image, and it brings up this little pencil icon. You can also delete it, remove the image as well with this. Click on the edit button, and then you can go in here and again change your alignment, change your sizing. You can change the link. Or interesting here is edit original. This gives you a few more options. And again here with this, you rotate the image. We're going to put it back like that. Now, let's say we wanted to flip it upside down. We just go there and put it upside down. We're going to go back with that. And then this is a flip horizontal button. So let's say we wanted this monkey to actually be facing in. We've got the image aligned on the right, but we want that monkey to be facing towards our page. So we just click on that, and that'll flip it around horizontal. So now the monkey's facing inwards towards our page, and then we just click save. Over here, this is for scaling the image down. Again, I would recommend doing this on PicMonkey, and you can see that video in my video library as well to how to do that. So we're going to go ahead and leave that monkey like that. We're going to click on save. We're just going to say update, and then of course it puts that in there just the way we edited it. And we're going to say update here. Then I'm going to go ahead and look at that post because I want you to see how that looks, how the image looks. All right, so there you have it. See, it's nice and the text wraps nicely around the image, which is a really nice design feature to have that text wrap around the image. And there you go. And then again, if you wanted to go in and edit again, you just go back and click on the image and go ahead and edit it. Okay, so there you have it. Everything you need to know about adding or editing images on your WordPress website. This is Geej Mauriva with Your Media Magician. All right, you take care. Bye now.